everyone. Hi, my name is Mehul and I am the co-founder of TryCatch Classes. And today in IT Rockstar Show, I'm super excited to introduce you to a Nilay Shintre who cracked 11 lakh per annum package. Welcome to the show, Nilay, and would you love to know about you and your inspiring story today? So,
Thank
Nilay,
you. Thank you.
I want to ask you, whatever you struggling with before you joined TryCatch, and what problem you had before you come to the TryCatch?
Okay, so before joining TryCatch, I didn't believe in joining these boot camps, and paying like this 80, 90,000 rupees, So I thought and I'd do an Udemy course and I'll be set, I'll be able to crack the interview. But then I went that road and I tried it. I kind of failed to, pass technical interviews. And then I realized, okay, like how much in the water I am. So then, I decided, okay, let's give it a shot. Why not? So hence, I came to Mehul sir and Monish sir for inquiries, and they told me of all these various kind of courses. So I chose the Monstack because I liked JavaScript. So I went for that course, and within 1 week, I was like very happy with the teaching. And I knew within 1 week that I had made the best decision and the investment for my career. So 6 months, I decided, okay, I'll put in the effort. I'll do projects. I'll practice all problems. And yeah, 6 months later, I got the fruit of my efforts, and obviously the teachers were also helpful. So yeah, it was combined effort.
Amazing, amazing. So, how was your overall experience with TryCatch? And what after happened TryCatch?
So my overall experience was really great. I mean, my teachers were really helpful. I mean, I could approach them anytime. I could ask for help anytime. They guided me, and I could come anytime and sit there, practice for as many hours as I can. And it was a really friendly environment. The ambience is also great. The try catch of classroom and the office. So yeah, overall, it was really amazing for me.
Okay, thank you. So, can you give any suggestion or comments related to the teaching methodology at TryCatch?
I mean, I have no complaints to be honest. Like it was the best for me. I mean, so
Okay,
I
so
have
what
no.
was the best part in teaching methodology?
But I mean, like during my JavaScript course, the my teacher Neha ma'am, like she used to teach us a particular concept, and then she would tell us to give us a problem to solve then and there on that particular concept. So it would get stuck in your head, like those concepts would be stronghold for you. And then she used to also give us projects as our level increased day by day. So every week we used to have one or two projects. So that also played a very crucial part in building my foundations. So it was very practical approach, project driven approach. So I really loved that.
Amazing, amazing, superb, superb. So, Nilay, if somebody is making decision today to join TryCatch classes, what would you like to say to them?
I mean, definitely go for it. I mean, there's just go for it blindly. I mean, you're gonna be set for career. I mean, that's the best decision and the best investment you can do for your career. So yeah, go for it. I mean,
Amazing, amazing.
if you
So, Nilay, the last question for you. So, what package now you are expecting to get after 6 months?
okay. I mean, I'm not planning to leave this company at least for an year, but after maybe 1 or 2 years when I leave this company, I'll probably be expecting around 18 to 20 after this switch from 11 lakhs. I'm expecting like 18 to 20 jump. So yeah.
Amazing, amazing, superb, superb. So, we wish you all the very best for the same. We would not 18, 20. You go up to 24, 30 after 2, 3 years. Amazing, amazing. Thank you for coming, Nilay Shintre. We'll catch you again up after a few months to tell my audience new technology or what new thing is going on. Keep guiding the new student, new generation. Thank you. Thank you so much for coming and giving your time.
Okay.